News coming in from pole-bound Tamil Nadu now. These visuals on your screens are of Home Minister Amit Shah, who has just arrived in Tamil Nadu. He is going to be touring both the states of Tamil Nadu and Kerala, both which are set to go to elections next month. He is also going to be holding the party's campaign in Kanyakumari later today. My colleague Shabir is with us for more on this.
Well, that's right. He first visited to a temple in Suchindram, and after that he will be addressing a rally, a public rally in Kanyakumari, and he will be campaigning. He'll be opening up the campaigning for Pon Radhakrishnan, who is a former minister and one of the senior leaders of the BJP. As far as the Kanyakumari seat is concerned, it's a prestigious battle. It's going to be a prestigious battle for the BJP because it lost that seat in 2019 elections. So once again, they have an opportunity to regain that lost seat. But at this point in time, there is a lot of issue that we can see as far as Kanyakumari is concerned, because it's a seat that is dominated by majority Christian population, and this time around the BJP is not getting the support of the minority community, particularly the Christian who are dominating that constituency. So it remains to be seen how BJP is going to position itself in that constituency, and whether Amit Shah's visit to that constituency is going to make a huge difference. But definitely what Amit Shah is going to say today is going to set the tone for the AIADMK BJP campaigning in Tamil Nadu, and that is something that remains to be seen, what exactly will be the tone and tenor of AIADMK's campaign, because already the AIADMK has started attacking the DMK, calling it an anti-Hindu party. So clearly all these campaign issues will be spoken by Amit Shah today. So
absolutely, all of that is going to come up through the day today. It's Kanyakumari now, it's going to be Kerala and Tamil Nadu later in the day.